Hello friends, let's see one of the excellent and very interesting app. Name of the app is Arlupa. So what is Arlupa? Arlupa is about virtual reality or the augmentation. So let's see. First you download Arlupa from Google Play Store and all the apps that I am telling here that you can use with Google Meet. In that you will see different type of features: my models, education, join the cause, animals, art, entertainment. So these are the different sections. So we will go one by one and let us see how we can use. So let's start with the education. In the education you can see some of the virtual reality pictures they have created, and for primary we are dealing. So let us start with the planet. One example we are taking, and suppose I want to teach earth or moon darkness, how the moon darkness comes, or the whatever the phases of the moons are there. So let's start with the earth. So when I want to show the earth, it will be seen in reality. Okay, let us see. So nice. Okay, so you can see there is camera. You can touch this, you can change, you can zoom, whatever that you want you can do with the feature. Okay, so when you zoom, just please be sure that it should be in a range. So wherever the camera we are facing, it goes in that place only. So you can change, you can show how is the earth, it is moving, okay, from east to west. Then whatever the features are there, whatever the continents are there, so you can use it like this. And even you can show on your hand, and you can see it like a augmented one. You can take the photograph with also, and you can take the help of someone, and you can teach it in live mode also. Okay, let's go back. Another example we will take here. So many features are there. For example, here we will take solar system. Solar system, while taking this, just wait, so that you should have some space. Okay, so you can see it all in a space. So like this is the sun, and these are the planets. Choose the background cleverly. Right now I am in office, so I am using it to show you. If you use the proper background, you can see like this. You can zoom in. This is the sun, and these are the planets which move. You can show the children the background. This all the planets, 1 2 3 planets are there. So first you should choose the proper background. They can count it, and even they can understand how big is the sun, how big are the different planets. You can take the photo of this, or you can make the video with this. Let's see one of more example from another section. We will take some animal, and animals are very interesting. Now I will change the background. Let's take the animal. When we are taking the animals, we should have the proper background, wherever the background you want. See, this is the horse. Okay, from where we should start? Dinosaur you want, or you want elephant or something else? Okay, yes, first I think we'll have the butterfly, then we'll go for the elephant. I told you just we should have the proper background. Right now I'm using it in the office. You can see these are the butterflies moving here and there. You can zoom in, zoom out also. Okay, so this is the way you can show the butterflies. Let's go back. Let us bring the elephant. Yes, so you can see the elephant in front of you. You can move the elephant, you can see the elephant, you can change the size, you can see the elephant from different angles. Let's take one more animal here if you want. Okay, let us take some interesting animal. Okay, we are taking the snake. It's on the floor. See, you can take the snake on the ground. Okay, you can take another picture and you can show to the children. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can do such things, and it's a very wonderful. So please use it and enjoy the teaching. Have a nice day.